Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back to the family. It's your girl Honoria, and I know I've been gone. In fact, I've been missing. I came on, uploaded some videos and a few recipes, and then I ghosted. I'm so sorry for that. Life happened, and you know, you need to sort some things out, but I'm back and I'm hoping I don't disappear again. And thanks to all those who reached out to me asking if everything was okay. Of course, I'm doing fine and thank you so much. I've read all your messages as well, your concerns in regards to the carrot oil. And in this video, I'm going to answer some of those questions and I'm going to give you guys another method of how to go about the carrot oil. This time around, not using fresh carrots, but dried carrots. The benefits of using dried fruits or herbs to make your body oil or your facial oil is that you cannot have any traces of water left in your oil, and you cannot have a bad smell to your oil. Your oil cannot go rancid. That's, your oil cannot go bad. But don't get me wrong, you can still use fresh fruits in order to make your carrot oil, but you need a preservative. I'm sorry I didn't mention this in the last video. If you're not going to use a preservative, then you have to save your carrot oil in the refrigerator, or you use it to do your own body lotion from scratch, and with that you're going to be needing your preservatives. So in this video I'm going to show you the tips and tricks of how to get your oil. Do it today and use it today. So stay tuned guys and see how I did this body oil. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Let's jump right straight to it. My carrots have been washed and peeled. Now I'm just going to chop them up and put them in the oven. I'm going to use the oven to dry my carrots. You can either use dry your carrots in the sun or in the oven, but in this recipe I'm going to be drying mine in the oven. And you can see I have them in big pieces, so it's not really, I didn't grind it fine. And I'll layer my oven tray with some parchment paper so I don't get it sticky on my tray. And then I'm going to just put that in the oven, and I always cover my carrots with parchment paper before putting it in the oven, so I avoid my carrots from getting burnt or too brown, like so. And then I'm just going to mix my dry carrots still in my mixer, and you can choose what percentages of oil and dried carrots you want to use. You can use 50-50, that is 50% of your oil and 50% of your dried carrots, or you can go 70-30, or you can go 60-40. So at this point it's your choice. You want to decide how concentrated you want your carrot oil to be, and then we are going to mix that very well so as to get all the goodies from our dried carrots and into our oil. I personally use this blending method so as to avoid my oil sitting in, let's say, a jar, an airtight jar, and keep shaking every day or maybe every week for 4 to 6 weeks. I mean, that's a lot of work to do, and I just like to use my oil straight up. So I'm just disinfecting my bowl right now because I'm going to put in my carrot mix in it. You want to disinfect your items or your pot or bowl, anything you're using, especially when it comes to doing skin care, so as to avoid bacteria growing into your body lotion or oil or creams, or yeah, so it's always good to disinfect your containers. So you can see it having this beautiful golden brown, just the way I want it, but we are going to go further and put that on very low heat so as to further extract the goodies from our mix. You want to let that sit on heat for 20 minutes, and then we're just going to let it cool down before we sieve it. First, I'll go in with the normal sieve that has very big holes to it so as to easily extract the oils from the dried carrots. And then we're going to go in one more time with our coffee filter so as to further extract any particles that may have gone through the big sieve. And at this point we are done making our carrot oils. You can use this carrot oil not just for your skin but also for your hair, and we all know the benefits of carrot oil. It has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that may improve skin health and appearance. You can also use this carrot oil to mix your scalp oil that is going in with some essential oils such as tea tree oil, rosemary essential oil, and lavender essential oil. All those oils are beneficial for your scalp. You want to go in now and transfer your oil into your sterilized container. And that's it for this video, guys. I hope you like and share this video with your friends, and please let me know in the comment section if you succeeded in making this carrot oil. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for making this carrot oil with me. I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.